Okay, how you doing? I'm shit. I've got the flu. I feel like shit. But anyway, it doesn't matter. I got a win. Yes. Another one. I'm killing it. Okay, so let's have a look at me trades that I'm in. Excuse me. All right, I'm still in this Aussie JPY. Okay, it's not doing much. You can have a look here. It's just bouncing around. Still bouncing around up here on my third sell. Excuse me. But I'm still confident. I still think it's going to roll over. I do think it's going to come down at least to here, at least. Okay, we got some good support here, some good support there, some support there. So I don't know, it'd be a tough ask to get through that. So I'll probably take that there. Okay, and I'll get a good win on that one. Good win on that one. Break even on that one. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Even though I've got my take profit down here and I've got another reserve sell limit up there, but yeah, hopefully you won't need that. So that's what I'm doing this. So I'll probably have to next week fuck around with this. Excuse me, I feel terrible. Anyway, all right, so let's have a look at me winner. Look at that, you again. Look at that. All right, we got this one from here up to here. Okay, so that's a win. That's a win. I'll take that. That was a good win, actually. That was a good win. But look, it's on the hour candles. If I waited one more hour, okay, oh God, even if I had a little bit of a sleep and woke up, I would have gone bang, rocketed up to here. I knew it was going to go up, but damn it. Tell you what my thinking was, why I got out of it. I knew I was going to do this, but I got out of it because it was Friday. And I don't like me trades going over the weekend. I don't know why, because I'm fucking stupid. I don't know. But anyway, it come up. So what I was thinking, okay, it come up, it hit this, kind of made this kind of resistance, didn't it? Okay. So it come up, yay, hit it. Okay, then I thought, beauty, now it's going to pump up. Then it went down. I thought, oh no, sad, sad, sad buffalo. Then I went down, and then she come back up. I went, yay, beauty! This time it's going to break through. And then it pulled back again, and then it come up again. Okay, then yeah, come up here again, up to here, and then it's Friday afternoon, and I was like, fuck it, I'm not waiting for it to come. I thought it might pull back again. Okay, so I thought, fuck it, just get out of it. And then look what happened. 1 hour later, oi, through the roof. Fuck, I knew it was going to do that. I knew it was going to. But anyway, it's all right. You don't know, do you? Anyway, you don't know. You just don't know. That's the nature of trading, isn't it? If you knew, we'd all be millionaires driving around in Lambos. But it's okay. So I got another win. I'm doing all right. I think I've had about the last 2 weeks, about 3 or 4 wins and 2 break evens or something like that, I think. So it's not bad, not bad. Anyway, I'm sick. This is just a quick update. Anyway, I'm going to go back to bed. Peace, cheers, rock and roll. Take care. Have a great weekend. And I'll let you know next week what's happening. All right, I'll get into another trade next week. All right. See you later. Bye bye. Thank you.